Welcome you guys on my YouTube channel Pharma Learning with Deepika. In our previous video lectures on size reduction, we had discussed about the definition of size reduction, processes of size reduction, objective of size reduction, factors affecting size reduction, merits and demerits of size reduction, principle and theories of size reduction, and various equipment used in size reduction. So, in equipment we have discussed about the hammer mill. Now let's discuss about the ball mill. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please go and subscribe it and share my videos with your friends and family members. Ball mill is also known as a tumbling mill. The principle of ball mill is based on impact and attrition both. So impact means strong effect of something and attrition means rubbing action. So at low speed, the ball roll over each other and attrition will be the predominant mode of action. Thus, in the ball mill, impact or attrition or both are responsible for size reduction. Now let's talk about the construction of ball mill. Ball mill consists of a hollow cylinder with a mounted on a metallic frame in such a way that it can be rotated on its longitudinal axis. The length of the cylinder is slightly greater than its diameter. The cylinder is made up of a metal and is usually lined with a chrome. In pharmaceutical industry, sometimes the cylinder is lined with rubber or porcelain. The cylinder contains balls that occupied 30 to 50% of the meal volume. The weight of ball is kept constant. The ball size depends on the size of the feet and the diameter of the meal. Balls are made up of steel, iron or stoneware. This acts as the grinding medium. Now let's talk about the working. So the truck to be ground is put into the cylinder and the meal in such a quantity that it is filled to about 60% of the volume. A fixed number of balls are introduced and the cylinder is closed. The meal is allowed to rotate on its longitudinal axis. The speed of the rotation is very important. At low speed, the balls roll over each other and attrition will be predominant mode of stress. The use of small balls is recommended so that the surface is the greatest. This mode of attrition is used for wet grinding. It may be useful to add surface active agent to prevent the agglomeration. This is at low speed. At correct speed, the centrifugal force just occurs. As a result, the balls are picked up by the meal wall and carried nearly to the top, where they break contact with the wall and fall to the bottom of the picked up. In this manner, impact stress will also be induced and the size reduction is made effective. This is at correct speed. At still higher speed, the balls are thrown out to the wall by centrifugal force, hence grinding will not occur. The compression by the ball against the wall will not be sufficient for effective combination of the substance. So it is at high speed. Here you can see low speed with sliding, high speed with centrifugation and correct speed with cascading. Now let's talk about the uses. Fine grinding with the particle size of 100 to 5 mm or less can be obtained, particularly for hard and abrasive material. Stainless steel balls are preferred in the production of ophthalmic and parenteral products, and there is a less chance of contamination due to wear. Ball mill at low speed is used for milling dyes, pigments and insecticides. Now let's talk about the advantages. So it can produce very fine powder. Ball mill is used for both wet and dry grinding processes. Toxic substance can be ground as the cylinder is closed system. Rod or bars can also be used as grinding medium. For example, for sticky materials or size reduction in ball mill, installation, operation and labor cost are low. Now let's talk about the disadvantages. The ball mill is very noisy machine, so it is the main disadvantage of this machine. Ball mill is a slow process. Soft, tacky, fibrous material cannot be milled by ball mill. Thanks for watching. Meet you with the next video. Stay safe and healthy. Till then, bye bye. Take care.